is the contradiction which must be resolved. We have spent a lot of money in the energy sector, on the grids, on substations. How different are those investments from the one UMEME is now claiming?
Government yasaba $190 million, $19 okugula out UMEME. Kakati tubalenga twebuuza nti zino zivaawa atugamba office ya auditor general yazivaluing yazauditing.
The government's outstanding obligation is also above 100 billion. So if government has managed to, there will be a netting off. I want to believe so.
We all have to agree that it was a bad deal and we need to get rid of it as quickly as possible. So if there is a way of us seeing how to help government get out of this, the more we delay, the more it is not really so good for us.
We are requesting for just a few more days, not beyond next week, so that we provide the actual figures that we can defend before 20th March, and the final buyout amount shall then be determined.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.